I'll be back with that story after this message.
What's going on, guys? It's Mac here with WhoopSaaS. I know it's been a while since I last posted. I just wanted to take you through some quick sales coaching tips. I'm seeing a lot of blog posts and conversation dialogue around just sales coaching. So I thought I'd pick 3 tips out of the air basically and just share them with you today. So the first tip is the 4-legged call. This is essentially just adopting the concept of 2 brains, 2 sets of eyes, 2 ears are always better than 1. And as a sales coach, you should encourage your team or create a culture where they are never having a call alone with a prospect, especially a prospect that's in your active pipeline. That's a sales qualified opportunity. If it's early in the stage, early in the engagement, a single pilot calls, if you will, are fine. But when they get a little bit further through your process, the 4-legged call should always be something that you encourage your team. And you as a sales coach should try to be on as many of those calls as possible. Now, there's some things you have to understand. Let the sales lead drive that call always. Don't infringe. Be careful not to infringe. They can assign you in as a scribe to take copious notes. They can strategically introduce you, but in either way, take notes and allow 5 minutes beforehand to prep and at least 5 minutes afterwards to debrief. And the 4-legged call will always help you guys out as far as sales velocity and overall productivity. Number 2, friend or boss. That delineation. Should you be friends with your team? Should you act as a boss, lest you cross that line of thinking that they can just walk all over you, take advantage of you, or disrupt other members of the team that think there's favoritism happening? Listen, here's the bottom line that I've learned. It's up to you. You need to gut check yourself and ask yourself, and I know it sounds harsh, but could you fire this person on the spot if you needed to and keep it about business? So the most important thing is pay attention, be friends, have fun, but just understand that some people can take that relationship well and some people can't. Be aware of how others around you are observing that relationship that you may have with a colleague or a subordinate. And then also make sure that you communicate those boundaries as best you can. Last but not least, accountability. We don't talk about this enough in sales coaching tips and sales tips, but the accountability on you as the sales coach needs to be talked about a lot more. Here's the bottom line on accountability. You can miss the number, you can hit your number. Always make sure that you prioritize win-loss analysis. Why did you win? Why did you miss? What did you learn from both scenarios? What method that's measurable are you going to employ to either improve and correct the misses or figure out how you can sustain the wins? Understand why you're winning, why you're missing, and always make sure that you come up with a methodical approach to sustaining the wins and helping to correct and mitigate the risk of the losses or the misses. That's pretty much it for today, guys. 3 minutes of your time, 3 tips. Hope you can apply them as we enter into Q3. Good luck to everyone. This is Mac with WhoopSaaS signing out.